Alright, artist, I wanted to show you the last little bit of the robot that Mrs. Milligan was working on. And I'm not at school today, I'm at home doing this video. So I'm going to move this along through here so you can see it. I want you to see, I don't have it all done yet because I'm trying to add some detail in. Look at the shoe. See how I use that negative part in order to make it still? In order to change it. So you don't have to necessarily have the pieces touch, but you also want to think about overlapping. See how the body is on top of the pants? So I add a little bit more detail of the heart. Also look at the eyeballs. I took a marker and added some dots on there. I put this diamond on top of his antenna. I put that yellow piece right up against it. Now, in order to make something a little more interesting, you can have the arms going one way in this one, and this one be going up. You could also have it separate. Remember, you cut both pieces together at the same time. Look at his hand. I made it look more like a little Lego. Okay? So when you're gluing, another thing that I wanted to show you is that you pick it up and you put it in your hand and you rub your finger against it. Okay? Then all the glue's on there. Line it up how you want it. And we talked about massaging and really making sure that we press that down. And you can really see close up there. Now I have this little Lego hand. I'm going to put it all the way against there. You might have a little bit of glue on your fingers, but that's okay. Art can be a little bit messy. And now I'm putting his little hand down here. Now what I was telling you is we've already talked about patterns and lines. You can come back in and maybe you want to practice first on a scrap piece of paper. You can add as much detail as you want. Maybe your robot is going to have little lines on it, little dots. Okay, it's up to you. You can even put the name of your robot. You could put little squiggly lines here, maybe like he's thinking. Okay, he's trying to communicate to somebody. And always we put our name on the bottom left. Okay, so here is my robot.